What have we got here? We've got the chef and owner of New Orleans Seafood and Steakhouse, Mira Djurdjevic here. And this is a bevy of seafood, and that's really what the Creole and New Orleans cooking is all about, right?
Yes, it is. Today I'm going to show you how we're going to do jambalaya, and also I'm going to show you how we can do like a shrimp cocktail. Everybody can do in a house.
Shrimp cocktail, jambalaya, I love it. But I can't help but notice, it's not like you were born in New Orleans, right? What is your ethnic background?
That's Serbian, and we finished school, my husband and myself, we finished school at Serbia for cooking, and we bring in Canada too. So we like Cajun cooking, and we do for 19 years. I'm going to show you how we do jambalaya.
Let's see it.
We preheat the cast iron pan, and we put a little butter to saute onion.
Butter,
celery.
Yeah, onions and butter. I just love that smell, don't you?
And green peppers.
Okay, pretty basic. We can all do that.
Pretty basic, yes it is.
Where did you learn to love?
That is my passion for cooking.
But the New Orleans cooking, where did you learn to love that?
It's bring me like a New Orleans. We went to New Orleans and we love cooking. My husband also, and we do like all our spices. It's secret. We make in our restaurant. Sauces. Also, we do coconut beer shrimp. It's the most popular for appetizer.
This is a terrible stove, isn't it? Don't you hate this stove?
And
it's
after
not
we're gonna do like we put a little bit roasted garlic.
This is roast garlic.
Roasted garlic and Cajun spice.
Oh, wow.
Smoked sausage, all the ingredients we put together. Blackened chicken breast.
Isn't that funny? I always used to think that blackened chicken breast meant the color, but that's not it at all. It's the spice.
Spice, and we make it in a cast iron pan. And also we do shrimps. You can tell like
And you've taken the tails off. Thank you so much.
Yes, we do.
That makes life so much easier.
That's how we do our dish in a restaurant also. We serve and we mix all together to bring all ingredients.
Oh, the smell of the garlic and the sausage and the blackening seasoning. It's fantastic in here.
After everything is sauté.
This is a dish that you can't rush it too much, right?
No.
So you do the sauteing, and then what happens to it?
We do sauté, and all ingredients bring together flavor.
So they have to sit together for a while.
Sit together, exactly. And when it's sauté like this, we put rice, 1 cup parboiled rice.
So the rice is raw as it goes in?
It's raw, yes.
Oh, okay.
And we also do seafood stock, or if you don't have a seafood stock, you can use also chicken stock.
Oh, good, okay. Would you have to make this per order in the restaurant? Or?
This is the jambalaya, take 30 minutes to make, and we do like a by order.
So if you order that, then you have to allow or get an appetizer, because you will need to wait for 30 minutes.
Yes, it does.
And it's worth it.
I'm going to show you how we do like a shrimp cocktail appetizer.
Okay.
We put a little butter.
Now, we've got lots of time, so don't feel like you have to rush.
White wine.
White wine.
Also Cajun spice.
Which is what exactly? What goes into that?
All the fresh mixed ingredients, dry.
So you've got a bunch of stuff over here that I don't recognize, but all of this, the dried version, is in here?
Yes, it does.
What's this purple
That's
stuff?
its chives flour.
Oh, so chives,
Basil, thyme, oregano, parsley, rosemary.
That's it, eh? That's all that's in it. Maybe some paprika.
Paprika. And also on jambalaya, we add our homemade Creole sauce. such
yum.
as celery, onion, green peppers, and tomato, and Cajun also spice.
So, did you visit New Orleans?
Yes, we
and
did.
you tasted the food
Yes,
and you went,
we tasted.
we're in heaven.
Jambalaya is supposed to be popular in New Orleans 1920. They called it poor main dish. That was the rice and vegetables. And after they added chicken, sausage, shrimps, whatever you like.
They didn't want to dirty any other pots. They said, why dirty more pots? Let's just put it all in here.
And it tastes everything like amazing when you put all the ingredients together.
But for you to taste a meal and say, I love this food so much, I want it to be my life. I want to open restaurants. That's quite an experience.
Yes, and we are very appreciated. We have lots of our loyalty customers, and every day we see new faces. So it's our appreciation for customers, and we enjoy it, food, and we enjoy restaurant and everything. And this is when it's cooking. I'm gonna show you. We just flip over shrimps to get ready.
That's going to be our shrimp cocktail. And how many restaurants do you have now?
Right now we have only one. It's in 267 Scarlet Road.
Okay. The smells all coming together.
Just to add chicken.
So you could have, I've got it now. You order the shrimp cocktail to enjoy while your jambalaya
When it's jambalaya
is
ready,
being prepared. Perfect. And shrimp is so good for you. I think it's good for, it's an aphrodisiac, isn't it?
yes, it is.
That's why you and your husband are so into New Orleans cooking. Now it all makes sense. And look, you have mussels and stuff too that we can enjoy.
Yes,
And are these shrimp?
that's a crawfish.
That's a crawfish. Oh yeah.
I'm gonna put with garnishing and jambalaya, but it's also to eat.
You ugly. I've always wondered how people, let's try this. This looks good. Let's try this. That first time.
This is our shrimp cocktail. It's ready.
This is different from that stuff we get, with the red sauce.
Everybody can do at house.
Yeah, this is so easy. Oh, I can't wait to try this. Oh
We
yeah.
put all the sauce.
Of course.
Spice, garlic, and white wine.
Isn't that spectacular?
This is the good one.
Okay. So, may I try this?
Sure you can.
Oh, it's hot. Amazing.
Thank you very much.
Amazing. I've never had shrimp quite like that. I love it.
It's a little bit spicy, not too spicy.
It's not too spicy, but there's a little heat there, which is perfect. Okay, we're gonna take a break. When we come back, our jambalaya will be ready. So we'll get to try that. More with Mira after the break. Stay tuned. We're back with, look, she put some crawfish in my jambalaya. We're back with chef and owner of New Orleans Seafood and Steakhouse, Mira Djurdjevic. And how long do these little guys take to cook?
It takes 30 minutes. We garnish like this,
Okay.
and we put the oven to bake for 30 minutes. And this is our finished product.
Yum, yum, yum. I gotta try this. This is the jambalaya. Everything but the kitchen sink is in this.
You can see how they're nice and steamy, nice and warm, everything in.
The color, everything is fantastic.
Here we go.
How do you eat the crawfish? Is it like opening a lobster?
Yes, that's tails, and you have a meat there.
Okay. The tail. All right. I'm gonna try that. And while I'm ripping off this poor gentleman's hindquarters, here we go.
This is our jambalaya in a restaurant, how we serve.
You know what? Don't have this on your first date, right? Because it's messy.
Exactly.
Fantastic. For more information, neworleansintoronto.ca. Fantastic.
Do you like it?
I love it.
Thank you.
That is unbelievable. I love that so much.